So, hello my friends, my name is Michael. Thank you that you are again on my channel. And as always, today I would like to show you my new strategy for the binary options trading. For those who are not in touch with me and knows nothing about me, I would like to say once again, I'm a professional trader in the field of forex trading and binary options trading. I have been in this sphere for already 7 years, and I started from the very beginning when I don't have simply any money for my living, but now forex and binary options are my main sources of income and help me to live the life I really want. I decided to share with you my skills in this business and to help you to earn as much money as you wish and change your life to the better way. Okay guys, so now let's proceed to our today. Okay guys, so we open the 30 seconds time frame. Yes, that's it. Fine. So we open the window with indicators. We use, as I have already told you, the envelope indicator. Yep, now we are opening stochastic oscillator indicator as the second one, and we can finally start our work. So as I have already told you, you can see clearly the channel with the floor and the roof and the moving average line, which is in the middle of this channel. We opened a buy trade because the price, you can see clearly the big red candle that have broken the floor of this channel. We opened a buy position because now the price is going to reach the middle of this channel, maybe even the roof of this channel. Anyway, the price will be higher than the lowest point of the previous red candle. We should just wait a little bit. Yes, we did it. We gain our money. Now we open one more trade. We switched to the CHF GPI currency pair. Here we can also see the current channel. The price now is at the roof of this channel. And we just need to wait until we can open the trade. Okay guys, we earned once again. We are going to open a buy position. As always, we use short time periods. Okay guys, now we see a strong sell movement and we open the sell position for this trade. Now the price is clearly moving in the channel. Here you can see clearly the upgoing trend because each candle is higher than the previous one, and now the trend is going to change we need to open, and we did it. We opened the sell position. The previous red candle exactly shows us the end of the outgoing trend. So here we are going to open the buy position because the price has reached the floor of the channel, and it's highly likely to reach the middle of the channel or even the roof of the channel, the upper edge of the channel. Yep, and we got our money. Let's proceed to the next trade. We switch to the next pair. Here the price is trading in the middle of the channel, and now we need to understand which point the price will reach. As I see, it's going to reach the floor of the channel, the lower point of the channel, the lower edge, or maybe not. Maybe the upper edge. Okay guys, so we opened the buy position because price has shown us several times that it reaches the lower point of the channel. Now it's going to go up, and during the short period of time it will be higher than our opened trade. So yes guys, we got our money. Let's switch to the next pair and the DCHF. And let's open the buy position. Now we did it, we opened it. Yep guys, we received our money. Here we open the sell position. Our goal for today is to earn at least $10,000. And I'm sure that we can do this. Just need to wait a little bit. Okay guys, now we switched again to the CHF GPI pair. And we open the buy position, because we are at the bottom of the channel. Fine guys, we did it. Okay guys, so as you can also see here, we are at the bottom of the channel and the trend is going to change a little bit. We opened the sell position while the trend is still down going. And we have time to make the trade. Okay guys, we got money once again. So now we switched once again to Euro CHF pair and we opened the buy position because we are at the bottom of the channel and the price is going to go up. So So as you can see, the use of envelope indicator is quite simple. Nothing is difficult here. The only moment that it takes some time to earn a big sum. Okay guys, we did it once again. So we had only one non-profitable deal and we immediately close it with a minus of only $0. So it was break even. Now let's open one more trade, a sell position. Nope, buy position, because that was my mistake. We are in the bottom, we're at the bottom of the channel. It's better to open the buy position. It will be much more safer and the chance will be the higher. Okay guys, we got our profit. Our current balance is $4,500. Let's open one more trade. Unfortunately, $1,000 is the biggest investment that we can make. Otherwise, I would have, I would spend less time on this. Yes, we opened one more sell trade, one more sell position. We did it 4 times. We opened 4 sell positions. Because I'm sure 100% that we will get the profit from this deal, because we are at the floor, at the roof of the channel, at the highest points of it, and now the price should go down to the bottom of it, and we can observe now that the price is at the bottom of the channel, and we should just wait a little bit till we get our profit. Nothing can change now. So yes, all our trades are profitable. So let's just make some more. Some more trades, once again 4 trades, and that will be enough for us. Okay, let's do 6 trades. This will be nice to see. So now we did it because we're at the bottom of the channel, and the prices, I have already told you at the beginning of the video, should go to the roof of the channel. Now we're at the floor and the price should go to the roof of the channel according to the envelope indicator strategy. Okay guys, so we have 3 times plus and just 1 time minus. So that's it. You can see that we earned $10,800 just within, I don't know, 15 minutes. That's amazing. And we started only with $10, guys. only with $10. Now we have $10,800. That's amazing. And you can see that the strategy is very simple. We just use envelope indicator and stochastic oscillator. That's all, nothing more. Let's open one more trade, two trades I think. This will be our last two trades for today. So everything is going fine right now. And we did it, guys. Oh my god, $12,600, guys. 12,600. That's awesome. I simply, oh my god. So guys, you observed the whole process of our trading activity today. You can see everything by your own eyes. This strategy really works. We just used two indicators, envelope indicator and the stochastic oscillator. That's all. And with these two indicators, we earned from $10, we earned $12,600 just within 17 minutes. This is amazing result for us. So what can I tell you? What can I offer you? I offer you not to waste your time, just to try to do this by yourself. You just need $10 or even $2. You can check my previous videos in the channel where I made the same kinds of results with just only $2. So as I have already said, don't waste your time. Check this strategy, try this strategy, and please share your results with me in the comments below. I'm sure that you will earn a lot of money, that you can do this yourself. Okay guys, so please also don't forget the description to this video in the link, where you can find the link to my private channel with, as I already told you, with all information about analytics, about my trading skills, about my trading offers to you, that can be very useful and that can help you to earn more money. So guys, thank you once again for your attention. I hope this video would be useful for you. I hope I wish you a lot of money, and I wish you a good luck. Once again, thank you for your attention and have a nice day.